Hey, what's up guys, it's Vineet and you're watching My Next Best. In this video we have the Auvon TENS and Muscle Simulator machine. This is the TENS machine that you'd most usually find with your physio. This is one of the best machines that you'd use for your physio specific needs, muscle pain, muscle spasm, back pain and that sort of stuff, or joint pain, ankle, low back pain. All of that is all simulated via this machine. This is not really the machine that your physio would use. The physio's got the bigger medical equipment, but it's pretty much the TENS machine. And this is the smaller version of the exact machine that your physio has. So here's the box that we have. Obviously the Auvon logo. This is the black version. And you have the customer service information. Comes on board with 24 months limited warranty, but you can also extend to another 12 months and it becomes 36 months free warranty. So you need to register your Amazon purchase if you're purchasing from Amazon or wherever you're purchasing this from. At the moment, this is being sold for £30. Yeah, £30 in the UK. Then there's obviously distribution information. There's a made in China, and it's got quite a few locations where it's being distributed and made available. Germany, European representative, operating environment. The other, obviously, Shenzhen Aztec Technology Limited have manufactured this product. Then obviously you have all of this information, the contact number, support, email, and the website with the QR code, which will take you straight into the exact website where this is being sold. Okay, let's, without any further ado, let's open the box and see what we have inside. The glass piece on top can be simply taken off, just like a phone unboxing, which isn't too bad. With my one hand operation, gets a little hard, but it's not too bad. So there's the box, and it's quite simple to open, not a hard task. So you just get this one out. Oops. And there we have it. The machine itself. On the top you have a card that says, "Thanks for choosing Auvon. Any questions, contact support." And there's this nice picture which doesn't make much sense. Okay, and obviously right inside you see the Auvon machine. But before we look at the box, this product, we are going to just quickly look at what else we have in the box. There's the usual covering, and in there we have this plastic thingy, which I have no idea what this is for, but we'll find out. And then there's this carry case, the bag, which is a nice quality bag which you can use. Keep it on the side there. What else do we have? Inside of this bag is some oh yeah, these are the adhesive electrodes that you'd use for the massage, for your specific localized areas in your body, on your body rather. It's and you need to sort of keep changing these adhesives, because the electrode level on these adhesives can significantly go down on every single usage. There we have it opened up, inside of which is another bag, unfortunately, so we'll have to open that. But before that we have the user manual, which talks a lot about this product, this application. Make sure the simulator is off, Skin must be clean and dry. Dirty or oily skin will prevent electrode adhesion. Remove electrodes from the bag and then reseal the bag. Remove electrodes from protective liner. Removal and storage intended use. Contradiction. Warnings. Precautions. Let's have a look at precautions. The long-term effects of electrodes for electrical stimulation and or okay, we've lost that. Long-term effects are unknown, are they? Precautions are important. It's unknown, yeah. Since the effects of simulation of the brain are unknown, simulation electrodes should not be placed on the opposite sides of your head. Keep electrodes out of reach of children or pets. Use caution if electrodes are applied. Yeah, quite a few precautions in there, so something worth having a read through this document. But I'll leave this on the side. Quite a lot to have a read through, and obviously quite a few interesting facts about this product which are at the moment unknown. But there are these wires which will essentially provide you access to TENS machine on 2 parts of your body rather than 1. And then there's this charging cable, micro USB charging cable, and this is the holder for the pocket holder. Should we just open this? And there we have it, the phone holder. Oh, sorry, the machine holder for the phone, for the pocket rather. And this is how this should look, perhaps if we would want to take a look. This goes straight in. Oops. And you just need to press it down until it goes to the bottom. And this is how this looks with the case on. And you could just put it onto your pocket like this is now on this box. So that's what it is. Let me just get the case off. There we have it. Okay, so finally we have the machine itself. Before that we have some more documentation inside of the box. I think this is the actual user manual. Pain relief, safety precautions, manufacturing information, we have standard package, cautions. Yeah, this is the actual user manual. It talks about these buttons, the specific indications on the display, and on the on-off button on the top, the charging socket, or the port rather, and everything else that you have. So A and B, they are the 2 separate independent outlets which you could use for your specific localized areas. So the electrodes, there are 2 packs of electrodes, one each you can use separately. If one is for your leg, the other can be your knee or some other part which is closed. Of course, there's a limitation of the cable, so the cable is probably about 1.5 meters, or 2 meters probably the max that this might be. But yeah, there's this limitation which you also have to make sure you do not go beyond applying the TENS machine on. Okay, so this is the machine that we have, as you can see. Auvon MT minus plus. So this is basically the intensity, perhaps. TENS machine simulator, model number, manufacturing information, map model, by IP22 rated, so some sort of waterproofing probably. Other than that, on top you have the on-off button, and there's the charging port if I just get this off. This is the charging section, so you'd use the charger cable to essentially charge this device, and the two inputs from the bottom. One goes in here and then connects the electrodes to that some part of your body, and the other goes in here. So Auvon, let's turn it on and see how the display looks like. It's going to be a blue display, so be ready. Okay, turned it on, and quite a few things that are there. It's not a touch screen, of course. There are buttons on board which you'd use, but there's A section and B section. Is fully charged. That's good. And 20 minutes is the maximum amount of time you'd get for using this device. I'm going to do a quick demonstration on probably my arm, or maybe my ankle, because it's hurt, and this is for that. So let me just do my ankle, which got twisted quite recently. I'm going to give it a try and see if this is worth your money. But for now, obviously, this is pretty much the unboxing of this video. I'll make the second video, which would have the application right after this. But yeah, in the meantime, if you have any questions or queries, do let me know. Do post in the comment section below. I'll get back to those as soon as I possibly can. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe to my next best. And as always, guys, thank you so much for watching my videos, and I'll see you in my next best. Take care. Cheers. Bye-bye.